Guys, look at it. Check it out. This breakfast or this dinner or this lunch, whenever time you cook it, guys, it's so nice and it's so delicious. Remember, I tell you, it's very healthy, very strong. This is the best Wenchman fish you're ever gonna eat, guys. With so nice bananas and nice piece of pumpkin and some greens. Oh man, guys, this is the real one. Remember, guys, to watch the video to the end. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch Str8yaad TV. Well soft, nice and rich. You know. Str8yaad, big up yourself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. First one Str8yaad TV, one.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make something nice, something simple, something easy, something delicious, something very healthy, guys. You know how we stay already. So we're gonna make something quick and fast. You know, we feel like it's just some green banana and something light, you know, not too heavy. So we are gonna make some green banana with some pumpkin. That's all for the food provisions. And we're gonna make some. I know about this fish, guys. I already go ahead and see it. I have to grab it. So I already pre-season it, clean it up, put some onion, garlic, and some black pepper and salt on it already. And my thyme and my garlic. I add some more season here. I'm gonna put on it, guys, like my okra, my bell peppers, and my tomatoes, my garlic, and my scallion here. Gonna add to it also. So guys, this one is gonna be so nice and delicious, guys, because these Wenchman fish, if you never know about them, guys, try and look them up. They're so nice. It's good to roast also. A lot of people in the Caribbean roast them on the file paper, we steam them, or we even make them in a fish tea. You understand? Alright, so check out this fish, guys. It's very nice fish. I know a lot of people probably never tried this fish, but remember, it's a very healthy fish, guys. We're gonna deal with that in the morning here. And we're gonna deal with some green Swiss chard, guys. Okay? Some green Swiss chard. We're gonna steam some on the sideline, okay? So this is what we're gonna match up quick and fast, guys. So we're gonna get going, we're gonna get cooking, guys. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe as you come on the channel, guys. And remember, when you're watching the video, please to give it a thumbs up. I mean, give it a like, guys. That's what the thumbs up is all about. That's help the video to grow, guys, and help the channel to grow. So okay, my people, right now we have 2 pots on the stove. We're gonna cook the banana and the pumpkin in this one. So let's turn on the fire. Get going, get cooking, my peeps, quick and fast. Something healthy in the early morning here. This can cook anytime, whether lunch, dinner, anything you want to eat it for. You know how it go. Add a little salt in the water. Get the water purified. Kill out any impurities out the water, guys. Okay, so we meanwhile that is boiled, gonna start to boil. I'm gonna turn on this fire here for the Wenchman fish. We're gonna get him going too also, guys. So stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen with it today. Quick and fast. So okay, my people. Right now, pan is hot for the Wenchman fish, guys. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. You know how we do it with olive oil already. We just grease our pan. We don't use a lot of oil around here, my people, okay? We just grease our pan. Alright? Just like that, okay? I'm gonna go in right away, quick and fast, with some sweet, nice, good tomato, guys. Guys, I'm just moving fast, so I'm not using the cutting board. Like I always tell you, remember safety comes first, so use the cutting board, guys. Okay? See that color already? That's what we're talking about. There's other ways you could do this fish too, guys. You could cut everything up on the fish and just in the pan and put the fish in it and put it on one shot with a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. I don't use butter that much again, too much. So you know where we go. So we are going with some sweet pepper. Like I said, if you cannot use a knife like this, please remember, use the cutting board. So we do things quick and fast sometimes. You know, we're in the kitchen and we want a fast eat. But we have to show you what going on, my people. Anything we have cook, we have to show you what going on. You know, so that's how we have to do it. We have to teach the people them who don't know how to do these menu, and all the youngsters who are coming up can go back and watch them if they want to watch them when they want to learn how to cook it. You understand? Okay, so we're gonna add our scotch bonnet. We have a nice scotch bonnet here. We're gonna add piece, not a lot because you know it's well hot. But we like a little kick, you know. Yeah, see, it smells nice. Go ahead and cut up with okra. Different style we do that one, you know. Okay? Can do it in any way. So showing you lots of different ways how to cook steamed fish. Like I say, you can just put everything in the pan one time with the fish and also everything, and just put little water, little butter, little oil, and put him on one shot. So I'm gonna do it a different way this time because I have a lot of okra here. I have like a dozen small okra, and I love my okra, so I use them up. Especially I don't want them go spoil my people. Alright, away. I have a couple head of garlic here. I want to drop in there already, so you know, I want to cut up to make him go and stay in the same way. Cut up a couple little pieces of garlic in a hit. You know how it goes. Oh, we love with garlic in our people, so we have to have a lot of garlic when we are cooking. A lot. So we do with garlic. Garlic is flavors, okay? We're hiding. Okay. Have a little bit of scallion on my people. Green onion. Get him in also. I'm not putting no onion in this pot, guys, because I have onion on the fish already. I already seasoned with onion and thyme. And some garlic. Because I pre-seasoned the fish already. Alright, so we're going to give him a one stir. Wow, guys, see this flavor that lifting up? This is what we're talking about now when we say flavor, okay? So, what we are going to do with this now? So the fish them already, guys. That's the reason why I tell you I'm not putting no onions, because I have all the onions and the thyme already, and this pre-seasoned with the garlic and the salt and the black pepper. So it's salt and black pepper fish, it is, my people. No other season than salt and black pepper, okay? Because I want to taste the flavor. It's a long time I don't eat fish. I'm going to do right here, I'm going to add just a little bit of boiling water, because you know I always have my kettle. Just need a little water on it to cook the okra a little bit. You know? Just a little bit like that. We're going to cover up the pot, my people, and let the fire do some work. Okay, so we're going to cover up the pot now, my people. Just like that. Make it go and steam a little bit before we put in the fish, because you know the fish can't go in so early. And so we're gonna mash out, and we don't eat mash up fish. Nice decent fish we are eat today, guys. Nice and decent, okay? It's a different way I try to teach you. Okay, my beautiful people, my viewers and my subscribers, the water is boiling, guys, so I'm gonna get the banana ready and my pumpkin to put in this pot, guys. So stay tuned. It's a quick and fast, like I tell you, guys, quick and fast. Okay, my people, so we have like about 5 fingers of banana here. Like I tell you, this meal what I'm making is only for 2. Okay. We have 5 finger nice, beautiful banana here, green banana, guys. Green banana is full of iron, okay? Very healthy meal to eat. I have a nice piece of pumpkin here. Just gonna cut it in 2. Just like that. Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my bananas, guys, because the pot is boiling. So I think I show you how to peel banana already, but I'm gonna show you again. Quick and fast. Some people cook them in the skin, just like this same way. But you gotta be careful with the skin, because a lot of bananas, they have a lot of pesticide in the skin, guys. All depends where you get your banana from. If you have real organic banana, go ahead and cook it in the skin. The skin is very healthy that time. But you're not sure about these bananas when you buy them all around from people, what they do to them. You understand? So if you grow your own banana, you can do that. So quick and fast, like I tell you, right through. See? These bananas seem like they're full, well full. Okay, so these bananas are well full, guys, see? So it's split fast here and split fast there, well full. So this banana, as soon as you put it down, it's gonna ripen here. It's not like when we peel banana back home or we pick banana back home. We don't pick it that full unless we're gonna ripe it, okay? So when I said full, I mean it's fit, it's ready to eat, okay? But it's too fit. You should have keep it a little bit younger, so it's more smooth and more softer. These type of banana we keep them for ripe, okay? And this is the reason why when you buy banana in America, Canada, England, anywhere around, green banana, as soon as you put it down, guys, it ripe because they rip the banana too full. It's not a good really cooking banana, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll it where you have. You understand? But back home, we pick it a little bit younger. And it's still nice, softer. And it don't ripe so fast. Okay? I don't know where they get these banana, guys, because these banana probably have a lot of pesticide, a lot of chemical on them. That's why I tell you, don't boil it in the skin. I don't advise you to boil it in the skin. Peel it just like this. But if you can't peel it, any means necessary, go of course and boil it in the skin. If that's what you can do, you need some banana, go ahead and do what you can do. But it's not hard to peel banana, guys. Just mark it like I show you and just put your finger on the side, your edge of your finger. And just do like that, run it down the line. Okay, run it down the line. Very easy, not hard. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, see? Quick and fast. If you not skilled like me, you move slow. Just take your time and get it going, okay? Sometimes you leave a little piece on it, you just go and brush it off like that. You understand? That is it. So they're nice and pretty, my people. Nice and pretty. So my people, right now, we have finished peeling the banana them. And we'll get them in the pot right now, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video as always. One love, Str8yaad TV, loving you guys. Thank you for all the support. Str8yaad TV will always be there for you, teaching you how to cook and showing you what going. Stay tuned, one Str8yaad TV. Alright guys, so we're gonna peel the pumpkin. You don't have to peel the pumpkin. Like, skin have a lot of vitamin in it, you know, but like I say, I don't like skin when I don't know how it grows. I don't know what kind of pesticide they use on it, okay? But the skin is very healthy to eat, you know, guys. Trust me. Back home when we're cooking pumpkin, we don't peel it, we just wash it. Put it in the pot, eat the skin and everything. See? Very easy to peel it too. Not hard. But of course, you gotta be careful with the knife, okay? See? That is it, my people. So we're gonna add them to the pot right now. So stay tuned and watch what's going on. Alright, my people, here we have it. That is it. The reason why I'm putting this little bit of skin in the pan, I'm not even gonna bother put it in because I tell you, it has pesticide. But back home you can put a little piece of skin in the pot, stop this banana from going black. Okay? But what I'm gonna do with this, I'm just gonna add a little oil in it. Okay? As I make it better for keeping it from not getting black. Okay? So I'll just drop any oil. Any oil you have, just drop a little bit on it. Just like that. Keep it from going black, okay? So stay tuned, watch what boil. Keep boiling this pot. In a quick time it will be cooked, my people. Stay tuned. Alright, you see? Some of these okra are a little bit tough. So that's the reason why I'm cooking it first. Back home we have nice soft okra. Alright, so we're gonna steam it down a little bit more and then we're gonna add the fish, my people. So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Soon finish. This one is quick and it's fast. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, my people. So what we are talking about. Everything really want juice and thing. Okra them not cook yet, but them half or 3/4 way. So by the time we put the fish on, my people, everything come to perfection. Okay? I'm gonna go add the fish now. I know them okra a little bit tough, that's why I didn't add them at first place. Alright, so I'll go ahead and cut up some purple onion also. And I love that. Even though I have the white ones, guys. So, 3 fish here. Nice. 2 nice big boys, okay? 2 nice big boys, my people. Head and tail in a pot. Head and tail. Put all our ingredients that we season up. None must leave. Everything must go in the pot. In the pan. That is it. Nothing no waste. Nothing no dash. Yeah. So you see, as soon as these ingredients cook, my people, I'm not gonna put no water on this fish, you know, guys. The little bit of water in the bottom is gonna steam it. It's steam fish I'm making. I'm not making soup. Okay? So, see? I have a lot of juice in the bottom there. So I'm gonna cover it up, kick up the fire a little bit, and let it get there. So in the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes time, we're done with this, guys. Because these are some nice thick fish. They have weight. They're not that little and small, okay? So let me go up to about 6. Get the pot kicking up quick. Also all the sauce fly in the fish, guys. And then we turn them over, get the sauce in it again, and then we off the fire. Okay? So stay tuned. Here's the food pot, almost finished. You know. So we do it, people, quick and fast. So what me I got to do now is chop up these green bush that I tell you we're gonna cook. Okay? Alright, stay tuned. Okay, my people, I already go ahead and start cut up my green Swiss chard. I have to make some greens on the side, you know. You know we have to eat some greens regular. Greens is good for you guys, healthy. There are some green Swiss chard that I showed you earlier on. They're already clean, washed, and ready to go. What we are cut them up right now, my people, and steam them out quick and fast, okay? Just like a cabbage. So you have to cut up cabbage, or callaloo, or anything you're cooking, you cut it up, okay? You don't cook nothing whole. So we have cut up some Swiss chard, my people, the green ones, okay? And I'm cut them like I'm cutting callaloos or what you call the next green one there? Color green. Same one. But these we're not cutting them so fine, okay? Like those. You see that drop off for the bench? Size like that. And this is a very healthy vegetable, my people. And it's not tough. It's a soft vegetable. It's easy to cook. Okay? So that is it. That is all that we're doing with that. Okay, my beautiful people. Let's check out the fish, guys. Check it out. See what one? This is how we are talking about, okay? Everything perfect cooking on, guys. So that one has skin up in face. He look fit, fat and nice, but you know what to him, guys, when you see him skin up, so? Maga or whole. We call them whole mama. Okay? Yeah. You see them skin up themselves, so guys, them whole. Or them, we call them either them maga or them whole. What are two? But you see how this one lay down nice? Yeah. That's what we are talking about. All of the vegetables them nice and soft, the fish nice and soft, everything ready, guys, so we're going to turn off this fire right now. And see it there? Now our gravy if it dry out. Because we want it to eat with the banana and with pumpkin. Okay? So we're going to turn off this fire right away. This is the pan slow. So I'm going to chop up. Already go ahead and chop up all of my greens, them my people. All of my greens are ready to go. So what I'm going to do right now is get the pan hot. Steam it down quick and fast because this don't take long to cook, like in the pan on the fire and getting it hot right away, guys. So I can steam this vegetable down. Motherfucker, I could put it on this one. This one is higher, bigger fire. And turn this one off because this food is cooking on people. Yeah, this food is ready. So we just have to work with that. On the back there. Quick and fast. Add little oil in the pan. You know we just grease up pan. As usual. You don't want no heap of oil when we are doing nothing. Nothing at all, okay? The heap of oil is not good for you guys. But I drop on the stove and do like that. Alright. So right away, we are going. We got a couple of tomatoes here, we have leaves from the fish. We are going with it. And no fair. We have to season up with vegetable. The vegetable have a nice steam way just like anything else. Alright. And a couple of sweet pepper here. And drop it in also. We don't really use the bottom of pepper, guys. That's why we don't use it to show it up. Alright. Oil not the stove, but it's alright. And a couple of green pepper here. Nice also. The onion also. Mostly quick and fast now, people. That's why I'm doing it from straight to the pan. Quick and fast. Getting hungry now. Time to eat. First the main course cook already and finished. Ready to eat. Little piece of my scotch bonnet here. Now I put a lot in there. Look at a little piece because that scotch bonnet is strong. Going with a little peg of garlic on my piece. So. Anything we have used garlic in item. Alright. So yeah, smell that. Look at the thyme. Have a nice little piece of garlic here. That is it. Alright, my beautiful people. Right now, that is very good. So what we are going to do? Put in the greens. Like I tell you, these greens are very easy to cook. You can even eat them raw, you know, or make juice with them. They help you to make juice too. So we are going with them vegetable. Not because the pan full, they're going to shrink, my people. They're easy to shrink down, they're easy to break down. Okay? Everything must go. You know how to carry it. Alright. So okay my people, we're gonna cover up this beautiful pot here and make the fire do some work, guys. We're gonna steam it down quick and fast. And then we're gonna add a little salt, a little black pepper to it. I have some little other season here that I didn't put in yet. I have to stay tuned and watch out for this. Okay my beautiful people, let's check out this nice greens here, guys. That we're gonna get a stir now, you see? So if we're gonna break right down, this is the time when we stir it. You understand? You don't stir it when you just put it in because it's gonna fall out the pot. Wait until it breaks down like that, okay? See how easy it breaks down, my people? And it was full the pot like it was gonna fall over and fall out. Yeah, I tell you these vegetables are some nice vegetables, okay? Yeah. Right, everything will fall out in the pan, don't fall out. I need you to eat like right now. Alright, so what we are going to do, we are going to drop some seasoning this really quick and fast, my people. We are going to drop a little salt, okay? Just a little bit. Little black pepper. Flavor we deal with. Flavors. We say flavors. Little oregano. Healthy meal, listener guys. This is a very healthy meal. Alright, my peeps, so we cut up a little bit of cilantro in it. know them thing here, or them powerful and nice. If you don't know, guys, you need to eat these type of greens, okay? These are healthy stuff, good for you. Right. This time it can come out now, my people. It already do it work. This is the reason why we don't cut up time in food. You just put him in whole. When it's finished with the work, you take him out. Throw him out. Him work done already, so he can go out. Alright, for the next 2 minutes, we ready to eat. So stay tuned, watch the video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. And remember to always tell a friend, say, go to Str8yaad TV and support the channel. We have a lot of great content over there, guys. And you guys can go and learn to cook. Who don't know how to cook and who know how to cook can advance. Stay tuned, watch Str8yaad TV, up and running. So okay, my people, we have come to the end of this beautiful video that we do for this nice lovely meal, okay? So we're gonna show you and we're gonna plate, guys. So stay tuned and watch the plating. See the fish here? Let me show you. Fish ready. Okay. Banana, pumpkin, ready. Greens, ready. See it, guys? Nice and juicy. So we have a plate, guys. So stay tuned. Watch for plating. Coming at you right now. Okay, guys. So this is the end of this beautiful video that we just made for you guys. Guys, I want you to go and check it out. Please like and comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. This one is a home hit runner, guys. This is Wenchman at its best. Check it out. Guys, look at this Wenchman here. Look at this nice green ball banana here, guys. Look at the pumpkin. And look at my greens, guys. This greens is Swiss chard. Green Swiss chard, my people. Full of energy. You need to check it out. It's a very healthy vegetable. Just like callaloo, just like spinach. Okay, my people? Just like arugula. Same bracket of vegetables, okay? So check it out. Nice and delicious. Soft, juicy fish, guys. Check out this fish. When you go in the store, try to buy some Wenchman, guys. You can fire roast it. You can steam it. Or you can bake it in the oven if you want. It's a very healthy fish, guys. One Str8yaad TV up and running, guys. We out.